Suppose you have a data set and you want to highlight the entire rows which have total, then do this. Select the range of data you want to apply the conditional formatting to, in this case, R9, U25. Click on the Conditional Formatting button in the Home tab of the Excel ribbon. Select New Rule from the drop-down menu. In the New Formatting Rule dialog box, select Use a formula to determine which cells to format. In the Format Values where this formula is true field, enter the formula is equal to $R9 is equal to total. Click on the Format button to select the formatting you want to apply to the entire row, example, fill color, font color, etc. Click OK to close the Format Cells dialog box, and then click OK again to close the New Formatting Rule dialog box.